Next team is Konceptiva. They are working at the intersection of education and technology with the mission to enable people to learn effectively. So with their gamified micro-learning app Coach, they help large companies prepare and deliver effective training, and it makes sure knowledge sticks and provides in-depth real-time insights about the knowledge status of their employees while keeping them improved with every game. Kalina is here with us, and she's going to present Konceptiva, and I am listening very carefully because this is...
Thank you, Philip, for the intro. So a little bit of info about myself. My name is Kalina Trajnovska. I'm the co-founder of Konceptiva. I have a background in computer science and software engineering. And together with my co-founder, Alexander, and our team, we're working on Coach. I'm just going to share my screen right now. Yeah, so as Philip said, Coach is a EdTech and HR tech platform that makes knowledge stick. The main problem that we're addressing is that companies treat training as a one-off event. They think that if an employee completes a training, that he will have all that knowledge forever. But the reality is different because our brains aren't really made to remember everything. In fact, we forget more than 70% of newly acquired knowledge after only 2 weeks. In cognitive psychology, this problem or this phenomena is known as the forgetting curve. Especially technical product specifications for different industries such as consumer electronics or the auto industry is oftentimes the ones who are most forgotten, and that can cause real problem in the performance of salespeople. These knowledge gaps can cause missed sales opportunities, and in this way, salespeople provide a bad customer experience because they don't really know all of the technical specifications. So the way that we fix this problem is that we treat training not as a one-off event, but as a continuous process of improvement. With our app, employees get access to interactive games where they get asked questions from their training. We have also a personalization algorithm that makes sure that every employee focuses on his weak points and improves over time. In this way, we're fighting the forgetting curve with short, personalized training sessions that spike the knowledge retention. We use scientific methods such as spaced repetition to strengthen the knowledge and make sure it doesn't fade away as fast. Finally, management can see real information about the current knowledge of their employees and see how they can improve it over time. Right now, we have a few open positions. So to give you a bit of info about our status, the mobile application is developed and we're going to launch soon with our first pilot projects. We have 8 different games developed and we will be developing more in the future. We're in the last, let's say, sprints of working on our admin panel. And in the future, we plan very interesting features with machine learning and artificial intelligence. Right now, we need a few people to strengthen our team. One sales representative that's going to help us build out leads, and that's going to help us present Coach and sell it to big corporations. Just to let you know, our target market is basically outside of Macedonia. Our ideal companies are located in the US, but we plan to start locally and then grow from here. So for that, we're also going to need marketing resources or growth hackers. It's especially valuable for us if these people have a mindset of, finding out different ways on how to do it better, faster. We actually use Howitzer's tool, the startup that's gonna present later, and we found great great results with that. So the marketing resources will need to find even more creative solutions on how to reach our target group. We need 2 growth hackers. Then we need 1 full stack developer. We already have developers, but we want to strengthen the team. The technologies we work with are React and Java Spring Boot. And then we also need 1 Unity developer to continue building out our game portfolio. So those are our technologies. But please let me know if you find this idea interesting and if you want to join our team, but you don't find yourself in these positions. We're constantly looking for new people in other areas as well to join our team and to help us deliver our vision of helping people learn more effectively. You can reach out to me on this email if you would like to send some materials, your portfolio, your CV. But of course, this TeamUp event is a great place to connect with us in the breakout rooms, ask any questions so we can further then move along the process. Thank you so much. Our website is getcoach.app if you want to see more. That's all from me.
Great. Thank you very much, Kalina. Maybe you'll give us an example of a game and how this actually improves some educational experience. Maybe some simple example. I would really like to hear it.
Yes. Our games are actually content-based games. So you aren't, let's say, a character in a 3D world, but the games are kind of like, you can imagine them as interactive quizzes, but they all have game elements like leveling up and asking you to basically either sort certain elements or select the correct answer or type in the answer and so on. So these games all are versatile and cover different types of materials. So some games are visual. You need to compare 2 images or 2 entities by a certain criteria. They can be textual and so on, which gives the companies a big opportunity to adjust it to their content. So an example of a game would be, let's say, if you're training an employee in a telecom company, a big question, frequently asked question they get is, for example, for TV packages. So which channels are included in a certain TV package? That's a question a lot of telecom employees get asked, but don't always know. So, for example, a game that could help with that is the game Sorted, where you get these TV channels like cards that you need to sort in the correct TV package in the correct category. So whenever the employee gets a certain answer correct, the game gives him points and positive feedback. But when he gets an answer wrong, the game actually shows him the correct answer. So in this way, he learns. With each interaction, with each mistake, he's using that opportunity to learn and to fill in his knowledge gaps. And after the games, from his incorrect answers, coach figures out where he went wrong and gives him reading materials to fill those knowledge gaps in. In this way, there is that continuity of learning. I hope that makes it clear.
Yes. That's quite clear. So it means that actually for each client you need to make a setup of all the games and the learning content.
Yes, the content is specific for each company, but we provide tools to automate that process of making questions. There are 2 ways. The client or the company can fill in this content themselves independently in the admin panel. We have made this visual templates, easy question builder, but we're also working on advanced features like content blocks, which are gonna enable companies to automatically create questions fitting for our games from their data. So they organize it in tables, and then with a few clicks, our system pulls from those tables and makes questions which is gonna speed up the process a lot.
Right. Okay. Maybe just for.
I'm sorry, I'm losing you. You got muted.
Sorry. Maybe just you can briefly repeat the 5 open positions because I couldn't remember all of them.
Yes.
And what can you offer? What's the offering there?
Yes, so we need sales representatives. It's a B2B business, so they need to be comfortable with that. Sales, marketing, a full stack developer, React and Java Spring Boot, and 1 game developer with Unity. So those are, let's say, the 4 different profiles, but we have actually 5 open positions because we will hire 2 marketing resources. What we offer is a very dynamic environment, the opportunity to join this coach journey in the early stages, since we're still, let's say, I would say in the early stages, and be a part of a team that where you can make a big impact and learn a lot from your colleagues. Of course, a good competitive salary and the opportunity to make your personal impact in this product, in this company.
Great. Thank you very much, Carolina. Sorry.
I just wanted to mention that right now during COVID, we are working also in a hybrid model. So we are definitely exploring options on how to best manage the team as they would like it. So we definitely have we're open-minded regarding working from home and stuff like that.
Perfect. So remote work is okay, and then anybody can actually join your team. Perfect. Thank you, Kalina, once again from Konceptiva to present us your coach app.